Welcome back to the Nice Garage. This is part 2 of the radio install for the Honda CR-V 2016. This is an SE model, so it didn't come with a overly fancy radio. It had a plain radio, but it did give you features like Bluetooth. And what I wanted to do was put the radio in, kind of tweak it, find out what I do and don't like about it. It's a Pioneer head unit. There was a lot of wires to connect up to the Maestro unit. There is a wire on here that I did not hook up. Step 3 is this orange red that goes to unplug the Bluetooth module. See wire chart. So I'm not sure yet if I have to unplug the entire module and leave it unplugged and just tap onto this, or leave it plugged in or tap onto the wire that it's suggesting, which is on the Bluetooth connector number 15. Looks like it is a data cable Bluetooth unit above glove box, which I could not find. I did take the glove box, the door down, I couldn't find it. So I'm going to continue looking for a connector like that with those pins on it. But again, I don't know if I have to leave it unplugged and just tie onto it. This one here says Bluetooth unit, unplug Bluetooth module. So I still got to play with that, and I'll let you guys know what I find. I just wanted to get the radio operational, make sure that the Maestro flashed properly, which it did. Bluetooth is ultra sensitive in this thing, so maybe that'll change once. It looks like I'm battling between tying into the car as soon as I start it, or in the radio at the same time. So I'll find that connector, figure out if I have to unplug it or leave it plugged in and tap off that pin 15. So anyway, this is part 2 of the video. I'll keep you guys informed of what I find. Thanks, bye.